welcome back to the Land Fam channel. Today I'm just going to give a demonstration on how to sharpen a skinning knife with a Lansky type sharpener, knife sharpener. I'll just get it out of the package now. This is the bag it comes in. I've only just started using this probably 3 months now, for 3 months. Before I was using a flat stone. Geez, I've been using that flat stone for about 13 years. Yeah, but I find this much quicker and easier to sharpen on one of these. That's the only reason I use it. And you can get the knife razor sharp. So you can order these on eBay. I got this on eBay for 30 bucks. That's what it's called there if you want to look it up. And it's back to front. If you want to look it up and buy one, I recommend it. Keep all your kitchen knives sharp. It's a lot better than sharpening them on just a normal flat stone, grinding stone. So I'm just going to set it up now, just quick. Comes in. Pretty easy to set up. Down the middle. I sharpen all my knives, my work knives anyway, at about trying to find the angle. Yeah, at about 18 degrees. At about an 18-degree angle. Which will last me at work. The same edge can last me for 3 days, which is pretty good. I'll keep setting this up anyway. I start off with a coarser grit stone. These are all the stones. Different coarseness. Start off with a like a rougher grit first. I like to use the 400 first, just to get that initial edge. That's all you do. Tighten the stone up to your lever, which goes back and forwards. Put a bit of water on your suction caps. Stick it to the bench. This is my one of my work knives which I need to sharpen. Still very sharp. I'll show you in a minute. I'll do a paper test. It's a Victory skinning knife. Just do a paper test. This is my this edge was 3 days old now. Still razor sharp, but for work I need it even sharper than this. So that's just a bit of a paper test there for everyone. The first thing you need to do is wet the stone. I put a bit of dishwashing liquid in my water too. It helps keep your stones clean and stops them from clogging up. So I'm going to set this at a bit finer, probably a 22-degree angle to get that first edge. And then I'll drop it back down to an 18-degree angle with the finer stone. Just gonna set my knife up. Set now. Okay. Chair back. You've got to keep the knife very flat. Once again guys, I highly recommend these. I don't know how everyone else uses them, but this is how I use them. Turn the knife over and do the other side, keeping your stone wet. This is a wet stone, water stone, not an oil stone. Right, I'll just go back over it again just to make sure it's done properly. Righto. So that's it. It's an easy as that. A lot quicker and easier than using just a normal sharpening stone. That's it for that coarse one. Now I'll put a fine one on. This is it here. This is a 1500 grit. This fine grit stone is going to put the primary edge on your knife. So I'm just going to take it up a little bit more, tiny bit, just to take the burr off the knife from that coarse one and put a nice smooth primary edge with the fine grit stone. You can hear it then. It's taking that burr off at the start, and then it goes nice and smooth. Turn it over. Try to keep, and using that fine stone, try to keep it clean. So that's it. Oh yeah. That's sticky sharp, guys. That's what you want. That's what you need when you're cutting lamb all day. This will get it even sharper. Right, that's sharp now. That edge will last days if you're not cutting through bone. If you're cutting through bone all day, these edges will last, maybe you'll get a day out of it. But yeah, that's it, that's nice and sharp now. It's my skinning knife. I don't know if you can see that edge. Keeps a nice, you can just see that edge. Well, that's it. I just thought I'd share this thing, this sharpening thing. Been using it for a few months now, and I wish I got one sooner because they're very, very quick to sharpen knives. Alright guys, just clean up now and hope you enjoyed. Please click and subscribe. Cheers mate.